Hello everyone and welcome you back to my channel where the news come first on reality latest gist, the headlines. Hey my people, it all set. Senator RI0USLY, the senator representing Borno South, now come talk say the biggest problem confronting them was the alleged closed door policy of the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where some members of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cabinet cannot even see him. Talk less of the lawmakers who intended to see him and discuss issues pertaining to their constituency. My people not be small begin. Moving on after this, we have Danny Wanyan said that Wike is planning to run under the PDP against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. My people, be small while I make no one make una miss this news. Make una relax. Before I go process, I go like welcome una to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics, as we dey give una back-to-back updates and information as they hot. So I thank una well for joining us on today's news. I really do appreciate. But if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So my people, may we dive into the main story. Senator RI0USLY, representing Borno South, told the BBC Hausa service that the biggest problem confronting them was the alleged closed door policy of the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where even some members of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cabinet cannot see him. Talk less of the lawmakers who intended to see him and discuss issues pertaining to their constituencies. It has said. Senator RI0USLY warned that unless steps are taken against widespread hunger in the country, malnutrition would affect many in Nigeria, and it has already affected children in the northwest. Senator RI0USLY said United Nations reports had warned that 82 million Nigerians would find themselves hungry without food in the next 5 years. Now make the fear, because one day person will wake up, go market with money, and the person will be confronted with a situation where there won't be food to buy. So they have information from the castina that if hunger persists, that the children will suffer most. So those children lack food for healthy growth. So this is a situation they find in places where there is war or famine. So they don't see how the thing they happen for Nigeria and South Sudan, where some children by now the situation is rearing its ugly head in Nigeria. That make RI0USLY they worry about the matter, because he said previously that the government used to store food in food banks for emergency need, but now it is no more. So my people, the matter be now is a matter of serious concern, and something should be done clear about it. When RI0USLY was asked why he couldn't meet the president and talk to him over such matter privately instead of talking to the media, Senator RI0USLY alleged that it was extremely difficult now that even some ministers can't even see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's what the matter be. My people, it all said on the mandate we shall stand. My people, the food crisis reach everybody. Why won't there be food scarcity when the farms has been taken over by cattle? So which farmland are we going to use to cultivate? Is it the one that have sent farmers to their early grave? Now so many people they talk say, make these lawmakers no complain that they should stop screaming hardship, because they also contributed to the hardship the masses are facing today. They say they happy say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't say Nigeria is not easy to govern. Say may you go ask President Muhammad Buhari that he will explain better because they are very sure that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is regretting now. My people don't be small matter, everything don't tire President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He reach into on a short door. I beg the people where President Bola Ahmed Tinubu share his agenda with, may they call explain to us again. We don't understand. So I guess at this point I would like no way to think about this matter in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section below. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Zenith Labour Party Chairman Chief Danny Wanyan urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be careful of his appointee, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory Wike. He spoke during a press conference in Abuja on Sunday, where he raised alarm that Wike is allegedly planning to contest against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the forthcoming 2027 general election. So according to Wanyan, he said the reason the political crisis of Rivers State has escalated is because of Wike wanting to purportedly use those state resources to allegedly finance his perceived presidential ambition. So the chairman of the Zenith Labour Party, Wanyan, described Wike as a man who talks from both sides of the mouth, urging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be wary of his intentions. My people, that be small matter. Wanyan said that he has 26 speeches where Wike had made commitments and failed to honor his words, saying betraying Tinubu in 2027 won't be anything new. That he have said several times that the president has no business listening to Nyesom Wike, that he have given him a job, so he have rewarded him for the manipulation he did in Rivers State. So the people of Rivers State have let it go. But for Wike to start putting fire in Rivers State because of his presidential ambition, that will affect President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is going to affect his office. So if the problem is about 2027, that the person they should do business with is Governor Sim Fubara, that is the man on seat, and they all know it. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have been there for 8 years, and Dan Iwanya said that he has the most experienced politicians to become president, so he should understand it more than he do. But if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't know that Wike is going to contest against him in 2027, so everything Wike they do for Abuja, that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should forget it. That though Wike is doing a good job, but he will run against him in 2027. Say, may we watch and see, we go see say Nyesom Wike will leave that office earlier 2026 to prepare for his presidency. But why is he saying so? That he have on record speeches made by Nyesom Wike which shows commitment that he failed in all. So his own is that Mr. President is a mirror case. That will be another regret. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is going to tell Nigerians, and he know what he's saying. That while addressing the ongoing crisis in Rivers State, he urged the lawmakers who defected from their original party to respect the rule of law, because the law is clear. So leaving your party means losing your seat automatically. That they tried to rejoin their old party through the back door, which is also not permissible. But demonstration allegedly sponsored by Abuja have aimed to create mayhem to justify a state of emergency. So he urged all parties to respect the law and avoid action that could lead to a state of emergency. And people, the fact is that why is Nyesom Wike holding PDP and APC structures? Because waiting Danny Wanya would they talk, if it be saying not true, he has the structure of PDP in Rivers State, he has the structure of APC in Rivers State, and he also have the structure of PDP at the national level. Wike is always talking about my structure, nobody can take it. The question now is, what are this structure for? Somebody don't get this structure before Wike came into power. Now Danny Wanya would they say, if everybody they look for evidence, written or said one about Nyesom Wike, that they won't get it unless the person did the game, and Nigerians knows how it works. He said that the evidences are banned everywhere. But the matter be say, if Wike don't make the comment say he go run for the presidency, let him leave the leadership of the party which is in his pocket at the national level of the PDP. The Rivers State PDP caretaker, Wike is holding all. So my people, never see this type of thing happen in politics before. Almost everybody in PDP don't let Wike go. They are not saying anything about it. Last month, they had their quarter meeting with INEC. Wike matter came up, and in that meeting they instructed the INEC to conduct an election in those vacant 27 lawmaker seats. INEC of course adjourned so many cases on that, but the matter was serious. Later on it became calm. INEC chairman later asked the PDP chairman of Rivers State that is there anything he has to say concerning the issue happening in Rivers State. The PDP chairman said that he has nothing to say about it. My people, these are party that lost 27 lawmakers. The PDP chairman doesn't want to say anything about it. The people that said something on that day, it was the people that was contesting for their seats. So what evidence again is not clear, my people. Don't be to be that. Let's see what PDP is cooking up. Maybe they are quiet. They might come up later to explain what is really going on in PDP, because I mean the crisis happening in Rivers State, none of these people have been able to approach Wike or resolve the matter. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us.